Hi, Kathleen here. I'm going to demo for you today a really super easy style technique for accentuating volume and waves in hair that has not a whole lot of either using just I Create Volume. I wanted to talk a little bit about I Create Volume today because I had a kind of hard time wrapping my head around this product when I was first introduced to it, because it has both moisture and volumizing properties, and to me those two things kind of felt like oxymorons, and I couldn't really wrap my head around how that could work. Because if you have fine hair and you're looking to accentuate volume, a lot of times it's really easy to associate moisture with an oil-based moisture, like an emollient conditioner or leave-in conditioner or cream or styling balm or serum. And when I learned more about this product, I realized that the moisture comes from the primary ingredient, which is aloe, which is a water-based moisture. And that was my aha moment with this product. You can have nourishing ingredients. The aloe is also there with honey and rooibos tea extract and chamomile and eucalyptus and all of these things that are really good for the hair and scalp, but are not oil-based things that will weigh your hair down. So this product is amazing on all different hair types, everyone from really fine, flat-haired folks like me to coarser, curly textures, because you get the hold and control from it that way, but you also get this really nice, light moisture from it that's not weighing it down. So this technique, all it requires is a blow dryer and a brush, no hot tools, no fussy blow dry techniques. So here we go. Gonna work it all the way through my hair, starting at the scalp and the roots, and then scrunch the remainder on my hands through my ends. Now we blow dry, starting at the roots and keeping the ends as damp as possible and just lifting the roots up off the scalp. See, not very fussy in technique at all. Now, this is where the magic starts to happen. All I'm gonna do here is kind of just start to finger style and put my hair where I want it to live. Gonna just use a brush to very lightly run through here, and this is gonna distribute the remaining product and moisture throughout my hair and kind of seal down some of those ends a little bit, because if I just scrunched, it would likely dry kind of stringy and all over the place. I'm just gonna run through with a brush now, being careful not to pull out the volume I've built in at the scalp. And now we scrunch. Running the brush through it helps the hair kind of just figure out, it helps it find its friends. So it helps it figure out where it's gonna live ultimately, and it keeps you from having all these like wild bits that fly away. So yeah, at this point I normally just let it air dry and just keep scrunching it up, but I will allow this to air dry a little bit. And okay, so here we are. Hair is just about completely dry. I ran a brush through it one more time and continued to scrunch with my hands a little bit as it was drying. And look at that. That is a lot of wave and volume from this head of hair that has always struggled with flatness and heaviness. And as someone who grew up in New Jersey in the 80s, this makes my heart really happy. At this point, could go in with some salt spray or some hairspray to accentuate that kind of dry texture and really use that negative space between my hair to my advantage, or can just kind of run my fingers through it and chill it out a little bit and let it kind of just calm down a bit. Either way, that is all it takes to get some wave and volume out of not very wavy or voluminous hair using I Create Volume.